The Otumfo, in an unusual practice, granted an interview to the Seychelles Broadcasting Corporation for the Top Flight program, 20 Minutes, which drew one of its biggest evening audiences as he discussed Seychelles Asante relations, but also international affairs.
Some managers and people out there, and the young players themselves, see it as economic development, so they want big money. So obviously when foreign teams contact them, they sign agreements and leave. So a player that you think could have helped your team to develop, within a year or two, he's left you. And you still have to start again by looking for a new one. That is the only thing affecting my team. But we shall come back to that. And then we'll come to Seychelles. If we have a team here, I can bet that we'll beat them.
That will be a very interesting match.
Yes.
Your Majesty, coming back to Seychelles, will you have the opportunity to visit some parts of the country outside the Carnival before you go back?
I would love to do that. It's a beautiful island. Driving through within these few days, I realized that it's a beautiful island, and I would love to explore that further. Or maybe come back privately next time and then be able to explore the whole island later.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Thank you very
for
much.
answering our questions.
Thank you very much. Thank you.